I'm missing you tonight. I'm wishing you were right here. Love's around. When love's around. When love's around. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing the song When Love's Around by ZAYN featuring ZAYN. I think that's how you pronounce the name. Make sure your guitar's in standard tuning, put your cap on fret number 4, and we're playing C, alright, to B minor. Down, down, up, down, down, up, that's my strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, up. So the B minor chord is basically an A minor in phrase 3 and 4, and then you bar fret number 2, okay? So that's it. And if you don't want to play it like that, you can hold it as an open chord, which is 0, 2, 0, 2, open, open for this particular song. But then the actual way to hold it is to then hammer on 3rd fret, so that's 0, 2, 0, 2, 3, 0. Alright, but anyway, to make this song sound more original, we're playing C with an open note on the B string, okay? So that's C, and then we go to B minor, and we're leaving the 2nd string open again. So that's 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 0. But we're still plucking strings 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And on C, we're plucking the same strings, okay? So let's go with that. So C to B minor. And these are the same chords for the verse, sides verse, ZAYN's verse, the chorus is still the same. Let me just check if there's a bridge where the chords kind of change. Nah, there isn't. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this tutorial. Do check out the chord video if you're not familiar with how to hold these chords. It's in the description below, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you.